Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be unboxing my Beauteque Mask Maven box. This is a monthly subscription and it's $15 plus $3.95 shipping. I canceled my Face Tory because I was paying $26.90 a month for the 7, and this with shipping and all is $18.95, and you get, I think it's 8 to 11 masks, so it's a better deal. I just hope the masks are as good as Face Tory's. The only thing I don't like is they ship at the end of the month. So this is October's, but you get it at the very end of the month. And I'm also subscribed to the Beauteque beauty box, and I think it just shipped yesterday or something. So I'm still waiting on it. Might not even get it till November. I don't know. But let's go ahead and get in here and see what we got. Okay, it's got a card. It says keep calm and love your skin. And this is what it looks like. Transform your skin, October 2017. Okay, and this card doesn't tell. It says, let's see. Well, I'm not gonna like that at all. You don't get no card that tells you about it. So it says that you can get the information, the product details and everything, but you have to go on their website to get it. I don't like that about it. But I guess it's pretty self-explanatory what you do anyway, but so there is 9 masks in here, and the first one is a horror mask, black rice. And see, these, here's another horror mask, and it's green tea and it's clown, and this is supposed to be skull. And I wanted to film these while I had them on to show y'all what they look like, but I figured I would have got them sooner than this. We got them, and then here's a Oops bubble mask, Pore Tox soda bubble mask, Pore Tox fruit. And it looks like it just goes on the bottom half of your face. This is what it looks like. Then we have a Energy Alpha mask. Natural skincare benefit of natural ingredients, effective for soothing and recovering. Then we have a Boost Alpha mask, effective for soothing and recovering. It says the same thing. I don't know what exactly the difference is and what they're supposed to be for. Then we have a Healing Bird Beautiful Every Moment Botanical Face Mask, Elasticity Jojoba. And there's a Super Aqua Blue Water Sheet Mask. I don't know how you say that, but Then we have a vegetable bunny face mask. Energizing. I can't even say it, and awakening. Okay, and then we have a Maven Enjoy Vital Up Time Watery Moisture Mask. Hydrate your dry skin, containing fresh green tea. Enjoy Vital Up Time. Makes your skin energetic by delivering the essence effectively. And that was the last one. So that is my Beauteque Mask Maven. I hope you enjoyed it. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.